au Hollywood Tower Hotel. D'ici quelques instants, les portes de la bibliothèque se trouvant devant vous vont s'ouvrir. Veuillez vous tenir à distance de ces portes, car elles s'ouvriront vers vous. Merci. Thank you.
Just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Au revoir, jamais. See you later. Bye-bye.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you.
Je vous avais prévenu, vous ne m'avez pas écouté. I warned you. You didn't listen. Vous feriez bien de m'écouter.